Hey everybody, this week I want to talk about assets. I want you to understand how important it is that you know how much you have in assets, what you're worth, and the reason why is because your car insurance can put all those assets, your house, your savings account, your investments, your 401k, your car can put all those things at risk. And one of the ways it does that is your limits of liability on your car insurance. So if you only have $200,000 of limit of liability coverage on your car insurance, and you have $1 million in assets, then you need to realize that if you're in an accident and somebody sues you for $500,000, they're going to cap at $200,000 from your insurance, and then what they're going to do is they're going to come after your personal assets. Now, you can raise your limits of liability on your car insurance, but this is a very expensive way to do it. A much cheaper way to do it and get even more coverage faster is what's called an umbrella policy. So you can put an umbrella policy on top of your car, on top of your house. And what this umbrella policy does is much like an umbrella keeps you dry in the rain, this is going to keep you safe in the event of liability, or in the event of an accident. Because what happens is when your limits of liability on your car insurance maxes out, now they don't go after your personal assets, your umbrella coverage comes in. Do you know that you can buy millions of dollars of umbrella insurance annually for $300, $400? It's a cheap way to go to cover everything you own, from somebody slipping and falling at your house to being in a car accident and somebody suing you. Great advice. If you need help or any other questions with this, please feel free to reach out to me. It's very important and very powerful. Have a great week.